If you want to make pancakes with no flour, today I'm going to teach you 2 easy recipes. Let's get to it. We're going to start off with half a cup of oats. Here we have 1 banana. Let's put it in. 3.5 tablespoons of milk. Mash it all up with a fork. Preferably, you want to use an old banana. This banana is a little too young, but it's still gonna work out. Add your oats and continue to mix. A little pinch of salt, a little bit of cinnamon. Here we're gonna add a little bit of butter for flavor. Put your batter in. Once the bottom is nicely cooked, flip it over and voila, ready to go. Now the only thing that's missing is a little bit of maple syrup. Let's have a bite. These little buggers are easy to make and tasty. We're gonna mix up all of our wet ingredients. Let's start off with an egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of local honey. Make sure to get the honey in the bowl and not on your shirt. 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix all your wet ingredients. A pinch of baking powder. Mix that up. Add your finely blended oats and mix it all together. Let's butter up the cast iron pan. You're gonna use about 1/3 of a cup of the batter for each pancake. Let's flip these bad boys. Oh yeah. With this recipe, you can make about 3 pancakes. There you have it, some pancakes made with no flour. Let's have a bite. Simple and delicious. After making these 2 flourless pancakes, I prefer the one without the banana. Let me know in the comments below which one you think you'll like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.